You're going to want to use dental floss, unwaxed dental floss. It's very important that you used unwaxed dental floss. Then you're going to want to use 2 large cotton balls for each fire torch. Today I'm doing 3, which is what I use in my show, and 3 shish kebab skewers. The amount of dental floss is about an arm's length. What you want to do with the cotton balls is unwrap them gently slowly unroll them and get them all ready. Now take one of the shish kebab skewers and roll it and wrap that cotton ball nice and tight and then take a second one and do the same thing. Take your dental floss and hold on to about 3 inches on the bottom of that. You want to wrap it around nice and tight, especially around the bottom of that, to keep it on nice and tight. And then wrap it around as many times as that string will allow, nice and tight, pulling that cotton in. Then take that, pull it nice and tight, nice and tight, another knot, and there you have it. And then what I do is I take a lighter and I burn the excess off of that. And there my fire torch is ready to go. And here they are, all 3 fire eating torches ready for a show. You might be asking, what am I going to put these torches in? Well, it just so happens I'm going to show you that as well. What you want to do is purchase about 16 inches of 2-inch wide PVC pipe. Get 2 ends for the caps. And there you have. Do not try to go on the airplane with this, especially if it reeks of Coleman lighter fluid. And these 3 torches fit in there just nicely. And it keeps the rest of your equipment from smelling like Coleman lighter fluid. Now, we're going outside to teach you how to eat fire. Oh yeah! This is something to be utilized at a grand opening event, or a pirate festival, or just to show off. excitement is taking place. Don't have to have a whole lot of speaking, just some crazy music in the background. It's nice to hear the flames as they're flailing about. And here we go with the fire eating. Now what you want to do is take one of these torches, make sure that there's not a lot of wind. The flame should be going straight up. You're going to bring the flame just like this into your mouth. Give it a nice quick burst and it'll blow out. It's important that you exhale and not inhale. Place it in your mouth and give it a quick burst of air. It doesn't burn. The liquid is Coleman lighter fluid, so the liquid itself is not burning. It's the vapor above the liquid that's burning. And then I usually go to 2. And then I do 2 at the same time, saying it tastes like chicken. And then what I do is light one of the torches on fire, then I light my tongue on fire, and light 2 torches off of my tongue. And that is why my wife calls me Hot Lips. Thanks for watching. Click the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.